This is not the cook I had planned. This is way better. Hey guys, welcome back. As you can see, I am outside. I did not plan this cook until late yesterday when I checked the weather and realized we was gonna have a nice day. So I actually went scrambled to the deep freeze, just seeing what I had, because there's no way I'm doing the cook indoors like I had planned, at least today anyway. So I found some ribs in the deep freeze, thawed them out, and we're just gonna slow cook them, guys. We're gonna do some smoking today. Haven't done that in a while. Let's get some charcoal going, guys. Just using a small chimney today, guys. That's all we're gonna need. I don't always use a binder. I just feel like, just kind of feel like it today. Just gonna use a regular yellow mustard on here. I don't know if I can get a flavor from that. If you do, you get very little. Mostly a binder. You can see I have removed the membrane. You can definitely smell that mustard when it's on the grill. Hey guys, days like this on these sudden cooks, I tend to just use up a lot of the stuff I have on hand that I'm trying to weed out. Today is no exception, but that's what I bring you guys, is what I'm doing for my family. Just some salt, pepper, garlic. I will make some more soon, but. All right, and I got some of this Jack Daniel's pork rub I'm just gonna follow up with. This cook will probably just about use this up. Flip this over and repeat. Alright, I'm gonna let this guy hang out when that fire comes up. Get the grill up to temperature and throw her on. Alright. If we can't get this thing brought up to temp, I will have to replenish this as we go. A little windy. Get it right in there. I'm gonna be monitoring the temps for sure. Get this up to temp. Get these guys on here. Keep it away from the heat. Got some pecan wood we're going here. Get some smoke on this bad boy. Make sure our vent's opposite the heat over here. Gonna watch this, watch the temps, and we'll check back probably about a half hour, 45 minutes. About 45 minutes in, let's take a look. Not a whole lot to look at. Temperatures are holding right around 220. I'm not gonna do anything, but just give her a little spray. This is just apple cider vinegar and apple juice, about 50-50 mix. Okay, we're roughly an hour and a half. I am losing some temps, so I'm going to come in there, shake off some of the excess. Yeah, you get a little dust. Come back with another piece of pecan wood. Get this thing moving on. And we're over 2 hours. And I'm just gonna spin these around. I can do this easily. A little more even cooking. We'll spray these down a little bit. I'm gonna add some more wood. Turn this up. Just keep her going. And add another piece of pecan. Probably won't be much longer. We're gonna wrap these things up. I needed help for this next step, so I got my buddy out here. This is my grandson, Ethan. You've seen him in a few videos. And I'm gonna wrap these. He's gonna hold this foil for me. What do you think? Does that look good, buddy?
I don't want to eat that.
You're not gonna eat that? Can you mind if Papa eats it? All right, we're gonna spray it. I don't want to spray you, so I'll come over here. All right, we ready? All right, we're gonna do one at a time, okay? We're gonna wrap these real good, okay? Yeah, it's hot. All right. Yeah, we're gonna wrap that. All right, we're going back on here. We'll get that nice and steamy.
Now put it on there though.
Okay, thank you very much. High five. You rock, dude. Thank you. It's probably 4.5 hours in. Sun's going down, so I'm losing my sunlight, so I had to put on an extra layer of clothes here. Yeah, we're around the 190, 95 mark, depending on where I probe. I'm gonna pull these and we're gonna start glazing them up. All right, guys, again, we're going with what we got on hand. Got some Sweet Baby Ray's. Which one did I pick up? Hickory and brown sugar. One right on top here. I do this 2 or 3 times, guys. Beautiful, beautiful. Actually, just because we can, let's throw a little more smoke on this. What do you think? Just let that set some. Some more glaze going on here. Let's get these guys off of here. Alright, let me see if I can get this boy cut up a little. It'll be hot, I know it is. Hey guys, would you look at that? We definitely got a smoke ring there, guys. Definitely. That's some it is juicy, yeah. Let's get a bite of this and see how we did. Alright guys, let's give this thing a go. Go back inside, got warm, had to take off my sweater. Alright guys, this is some Jack Daniel's pork rub, some salt, pepper, garlic. I did the mustard glaze on that, and then some Sweet Baby Ray's, the hickory brown sugar. So let's give this thing a go. Got plenty of smoke ring there. I can smell it, it's very good. That is, as expected, delicious. Could have been a little bit more tender, but it's good. It pulls off the bone pretty decent. Not as tender as I wanted, but close. Not bad for a rookie. In the 2020 season. So I tell you what, not a rookie by any stretch, but first cook of the season. I rushed it, I do know. I got the times in. Could have been a little bit more tender, but that's okay. Guys, thank you. Thank you for joining me in my first outdoor cook of the year. And I can't wait to do more. Until then, I still expect some bad weather coming in, so we'll do some more indoor stuff, and I'm getting a little bit of a following on the air fryer, so I'll be doing more of that during the week or whatever. So guys, thank you, and until next time, God bless you folks. Bye bye.